Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Zoom and use it for the first time. Now for those of you guys that don't know what Zoom is the new way of communicating with your family or setting up meetings with colleagues or even giving online classes. Um, this has become very popular since the coronavirus and all the lockdowns. So hope you enjoy this video. Firstly, you can go to Zoom's website. It's just zoom.us. So firstly, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up. It's for free. So let's begin. Firstly, you must start with your email. Alright, sign up. And then they send you a mail to your email address. Now you have to activate your account. You can say activate account. Now it asks for your first name. Must put in a password. It must have at least 8 characters, one letter, one number, one uppercase, one lowercase. So choose your password wisely. You must confirm your password. Continue. And you can also invite your colleagues. Like if you're in a company, you can invite all your employees. Then they will also get invited to Zoom, and you can have all your contacts on Zoom. But I'm not gonna invite any colleagues now, and I'm gonna skip. Alright, so now I have a account set up. Now I can go. I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Zoom on your laptop. So firstly you say download. It's going to ask you where to download. Obviously it's downloads, click save. And when it's downloaded, you click on the install file and it's going to install. Alright, so now Zoom is installed on your computer or your laptop. So sign in. You sign in with your password you just created now. You can also say keep me signed in. Say sign in. Alright, my email was wrong there. Alright, so now this is how Zoom looks. You can say start a new meeting, video, whatever. Above here is your chats. If you want to chat with your contacts, you can set up meetings here, invite people, and use your contacts. Now you invite people, it's just add a contact there, and you say add a contact, and you type in the email address. Alright, so now I'm just going to start a new meeting. Alright, So now this is very cool. So now you can invite people here and you can start to video chat with them. And now also you can, this is very cool, you can share your screen. So now you can share your screen with all of your colleagues or everyone that's in the meeting. So I can, if you have a presentation or anything else, you can share like a whiteboard, share it. Now everyone is going to see what you're doing here. So you can, if you want to make notes, whatever, or you can share your screen, and you can share your screen what you're doing with your laptop. If you want to train someone, you can show them what's going on here, and then you just stop share. You can even chat. You can start a chat here with your meeting. You can say you want to chat to everyone, or if there's people joined here, you can share just a message to some specific people in your meeting. Start a chat there. You can even record your sessions. The record button. You can give some people reactions. Alright, this is how you invite people. If it's on the if they are on your contact list, you just invite them here, or you can copy the invitation and then you can go paste it and send it to people. You have a meeting password. Alright, so I hope this helps and I hope you connect to your family. And please, guys, stay safe.